Welcome Stats Geniuses to question number 10. And this one is about a quadrilateral drawn onto a coordinate grid. It says on the grid there are 3 points joined by 2 lines. Laura plots another point on the grid at -1, 2. Now remember, the first number in any coordinate is left or right. And if it is a negative number, which this one is, we go to the left. If it was a positive number, we would go to the right. Now this is -1, so we're going to go 1 to the left. The second number, which in this case is a 2, is basically up or down. And if it is a positive number, you go up. If it is a negative number, you go down. Now this is +2, so we're going to go 2 up. So this coordinate is going to go 1 left and 2 up. And the important thing to remember here is that that is from 0 in the centre of the graph. So if we start on 0, there's 0, and go 1 to the left. 1 to the left is this way, and then 2 up, 1, 2, it is going to be there. That is going to be the point of our quadrilateral. So we just need to join that up now. So there we go, join up. Now this is not really a standard quadrilateral that we'd expect, so it's not a square, it's not a rectangle, it's not a kite, it's not a trapezium, it's not a parallelogram, and it's not a rhombus. But it is still a quadrilateral because it does have 4 sides. Now we've got a second part to this question that talks about translating this quadrilateral 4 squares to the right. Now remember, if you translate a shape 4 squares to the right, then each corner has to move 4 squares to the right. So what we could do is just mark off the corners as we do them. So this corner, 4 squares to the right, is going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 to there. This corner, 4 squares to the right, is going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 to there. This corner, 4 to the right, is going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 to there. This corner down here is going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 to there. Now we'll just go over those 4 corners that we've just drawn in a slightly different colour, yellow, just to make them stand out from the original corners. And all we've got to do is join those corners up. So that one will join to that one. We'll go across there to between those two join, and those 2 join together. So each corner of the shape has been translated 4 squares to the right. Therefore, we have drawn the quadrilateral in its new position on the grid.